Hi all, welcome to Musie land. Here I am going to discuss about Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a Muslim majority country which located between Central and South Asia. Afghanistan have bordered with Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and China. It have 42 percentage Pashtun ethnicity, 27 percentage Tajik ethnicity, 9 percentage Hazara ethnicity, 9 percentage Uzbek ethnicity, 4 percentage Aimak ethnicity, 3 percentage Turkmen ethnicity, 2 percentage Baloch ethnicity, 4 percentage others. The country is predominantly mountainous with plains in the north and the southwest which are separated by the Hindu Kush mountain range. The country have approximately 40 million population. The modern state of Afghanistan began with the Durrani dynasty in the 18th century. The Durrani Empire was built by Ahmad Shah Abdali. This empire expanded from eastern Iran to northern India at its peak. Following its decline and the death of Timur Shah, it was divided into the smaller independent kingdoms of Herat, Kandahar and Kabul. Then country was reunited by Dost Muhammad Khan. He was the ruler of Barakzai dynasty. During this time, Afghanistan became a buffer state in the great game between the British Empire and the Russian Empire. New emergence of Kingdom of Afghanistan under Amanullah Khan occurred in 1926. This kingdom was overthrown in 1973 by Zahir Shah, following which the Republic of Afghanistan was established. Linguistic scholars assume that the word Afghan is derived from Sanskrit name Asakan. Asakan means horseman. The Silk Road appeared during the 1st century BC. During those periods, Afghanistan flourished with trade. In the year 1219 CE, Genghis Khan and his Mongol army overran the region. Mongol rule continued with the Ilkhanate in the northwest, while the Khalji dynasty administered the Afghan tribal areas south of the Hindu Kush until the invasion of Timur, who established the Timurid Empire in 1370 AD. I am skipping some contemporary rules of Afghan. Next we can discuss about geography. Afghanistan is the 41st largest country. There is no coastline as Afghanistan is landlocked. Afghanistan have some water resources such as Amudarya, Harirud and the Arghandab River. Afghanistan receives heavy snow during the winter in the Hindu Kush and Pamir mountains, and the melting snow in the spring season enters the rivers, lakes and streams. Next we can talk about administrative divisions. The country is divided into 34 provinces. Each province has a governor and a capital. The country is further divided into nearly 400 provincial districts. Next we can discuss about agriculture. Afghanistan is known for producing pomegranates, grapes, apricots, melons, and several other fresh and dry fruits. Afghanistan is major producer of cannabis as well as largest producer of opium. Saffron is the most expensive spice grows in Afghanistan. Afghanistan's natural resources include coal, copper, iron ore, lithium, uranium, rare earth elements, chromite, gold, zinc, talc, barite, sulfur, lead, marble, and others. Next, we are going to discuss about biodiversity. Several types of mammals exist throughout Afghanistan. Examples are Siberian tigers, brown bears, snow leopards, etc. Foxes, wolves, deer, wild sheep, and other big cats populate the mountain forest region of the east. In the semi-desert northern plains, we can see large carnivorous animals such as jackals and hyenas, as well as birds like hedgehogs, gophers. In the semi-desert south, we can see mongoose and cheetahs. The Afghan forest has vegetation such as pine trees, spruce trees, fir trees, and larches, whereas the steppe grassland regions consist of broadleaf trees, short grass, perennial plants, and shrublands. There are three national parks: Bandi Amir, Wakhan, and Nuristan. Next, we can discuss about transportation. The backbone of Afghanistan's road network is Highway 1, often called the Ring Road, which extends for 2,210 kilometers. It connects five major cities like Kabul, Ghazni, Kandahar, Herat, and Mazar-i-Sharif. The ring road is very important for domestic and international trade and the economy of Afghanistan. Next, we are going to discuss about culture. Afghans have both common cultural features and those that differ between the regions of Afghanistan, each with distinctive cultures, partly as a result of geographic obstacles that divide the country. The Pashtuns are largely connected to the culture of Central Asia and the Iranian plateau. Next, we can talk about Afghan art. Afghan art has spanned many centuries. One of the most significant periods is the Gandharan art made between 1st and 7th centuries. Afghanistan contains many remnants from all ages, including Greek and Buddhist stupas, monasteries, monuments, temples, and Islamic minarets. Next, we can learn about cuisine of Afghanistan. Afghanistan's cuisine is depending upon chief crops such as wheat, maize, barley, and rice, together with native fruits and vegetables as well as dairy products such as milk, yogurt, etc. Next, we can talk about climate. Afghanistan has extremely cold winters and hot summers, typical of semi-arid steppe climate. There are over 100 hospitals in Afghanistan, with the most advanced treatments being available in Kabul. The names of 34 provinces in Afghanistan are Badakhshan, Badghis, Baghlan, Balkh, Bamyan, Daikundi, Farah, Faryab, Ghazni, Ghor, Helmand, Herat, Jawzjan, Kabul, Kandahar, Kapisa, Khost, Kunar, Kunduz, Legman, Logar, Nangarhar, Nimruz, Nuristan, Uruzgan, Paktia, Paktika, Panjshir, Parwan, Samangan, Saripul, Takar, Wardak, Zabul. Afghanistan is known as Graveyard of Empires. Thank you.